I am Dr. Bernard Nathanson, formerly the director of the largest abortion clinic in the Western world, and I am the last surviving founding member of NARAL, the pro-abortion organization we founded in New York City in the late 1960s. We founded NARAL with the goal to export our pro-abortion mentality across the land. One of our strategies in order to mislead the American public was to deny what we knew to be true, that an abortion kills an existing human being. We denied that fact in an effort to mislead the American public and the courts of this land. I myself am personally responsible for over 75,000 abortions. This was the greatest mistake of my life, and legal abortion was the greatest mistake this nation has ever conceived. It must be brought to an end after 50 million deaths of unborn babies. I am Dr. Bernard Nathanson, obstetrician-gynecologist, and the last surviving member of the NARAL group.